an amazing floor this morning. It's going to be kind of fast, so hold on to your panties and I'll hold on to mine. Okay, a little bit of shimmer gold here. Now, we don't want a ton of accents because this is a floor for the art center. Now, we've been doing it on some, large doors samples. But now I'm like, you know what? I want to practice it on an actual floor before I go do it to 2,000 square feet where we ruin a bunch of fine art pieces. Because I'll tell you a few things about me. And one of them is that I'm not a fine artist. So now, oh yeah. I put just a hue of translucent purple because I love that counteractive color. This is our diamond gloss. I think my maker. I don't know why all my tape's still here. Now, I usually use a T-bar applicator, but I don't have a T-bar right now because I left them all in my trailer and my cargo trailer's on a job site. Leave it to Levi to just really mess up having the correct tools. But then I'll guaranteed be able to pull it back out and get this knocked out nicely. Okay. Let me know where you guys are watching from. And remember, we're doing the same thing today at 10,000 likes. We're giving away a free epoxy kit if you'd rather just to get a sample kit, or if you'd rather a t-shirt, you can have that, or a mug, or anything. And we usually hit that easy, so we've been doing a lot of giveaways. So as soon as we hit 10,000 likes, and we barely started, and we're probably on our way there well, so then we're gonna pick a commenter. So one of the people that comments, and we'll be looking at all the comments, we actually have somebody that's entering names into a little random generator, and then they'll let us know who wins. So
we have Chicago, Michigan. Someone's in their bathroom.
Minnesota. Somebody's in their bathroom. You know what? I'm happy no matter where you're watching me, man. I don't give a damn.
Or Angela's
Maybe
watching.
I'm the best bathroom watch.
Will this get darker?
Levi, the best thing to watch while pooping. What? Will it get darker? No, I don't want it to either. I want this to be very translucent. I'm going to be adding some accents into it, but this is all about the decorative side of it, what I'm about to do. So let's hope and pray that I don't just
Zachary said,
mess this up.
Man, you do good work.
Thank you all for being here.
Tim said, great job. We have North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Hi from Idaho.
Idaho. Where at in Idaho? I was born up in St. Mary's, Idaho. Love me some Idaho.
Are you talking high, or high? What type of high?
High or high? We're Colorado Rocky
high
Mountain
in the mountains.
high. We are in the Rocky Mountains, so you'd never know what kind of high we are.
Ohio.
You don't know me.
Pennsylvania. Look at all y'all.
Where do pencils go for vacation? Pennsylvania. Okay, we're gonna add some accents, but I'll show you around the floor really fast. Now, be patient with me, y'all. I'm not a professional videographer here, so. Thank you. Thank you, Tree. I don't even, Tree B? I like your name. Now, I want to be able to see through it, so if you notice, we put a little bit of silver in it, and now I'm going to pour some accents down my existing colors underneath. If you have a big floor drain in the middle, usually that's a 4-inch drain as standard, but if not, you can always find, you can either get foil tape, which is exactly what I did this transition with, and you can tape off your drain with that, or what I do a lot of times is I'll get myself a PVC fitting that fits just perfect, and I'll lightly silicone it down onto my floor. So, and I already have a piece of junk in my floor. Thank you for being here.
Moved very minimally.
Yeah, so here's let's see that jacket, Michael. Did you gotta see Michael's jacket? I'm sorry, I'm making him turn around in his dancing shoes.
Tejano fans.
This gangster right there.
Selena Quintanilla.
Give us a thumbs up if Michael's a pimp with a Selena jacket on. You're the most stylish guy in the room here every day.
Okay, I'm I'm gonna just chill over here.
Northwest Arkansas in the house. Thanks for being here, Northwest Arkansas. This is not my Selena shirt. If you can read this shirt, you can have a free Diamond Coat shirt. The first person that comments what they think. No, don't say what you think it says. All right. Okay. Okay, that was love.
Don't say it yet.
I'm not sad with that. That is beautiful. What do y'all think? Tell me what you think of this as it goes down. And remember, I ain't looking for positivity on this live. If you guys say, hey, I have a way better idea than what you're doing, it'll look better. It's gonna look really good for our art center we're pouring.
Hello, living aloha. What do you do when certain spots won't cure? That is a mixing issue.
If there's ever a non-cured spot, that's definitely mixing, and you got to pour again or figure out what's going on. If you ever had an issue like that, even if it's not our product and you want to fix it, we have some really good epoxies that you can pour pretty heavy over some failed stuff. So give us a call if that's something you're struggling with, and we'll figure it out with you. One thing we do a lot of is diagnose issues here, diagnose problems. So do we have working time? Yes. But I want to do this before you guys get sick and tired of our channel, because we're working really hard on this channel to build it. And I don't want somebody out there being like, dude, you had me till you wasted 3 hours of my damn time. Okay, now I'm putting this all down kind of randomly right now. I'm not worried about it being perfect, so. Okay, I generally don't do this, but for an art center, I do what the people love.
Len was using spray paint.
Never do usually, but you know what? For the right artist's touch, if this place wants some really wispy specific colors, I'm gonna give it to them.
If some just cured in the floor, can you fix it?
The what?
If some cured in the floor, can you fix it?
Not very easily, unfortunately. Oh, cured in the floor?
Yeah.
You know, cured, is this the person that had it in their drain?
No, I think it's spotty maybe? Like not cured in some areas cured.
Oh, you know, make sure you mix it really like efficiently next time. Call our office if you have any questions on mixing or anything like that. But just remember, the way you mix it is, you're never gonna get it to cure any better than that, so be thoughtful of how you mix. I don't know if y'all can see the metallicness in here, but
if junk cured in the floor, can you fix it?
It what?
If junk.
It what?
Like debris.
Oh, junk. You know what? Sand that debris off or scrape it off with a razor blade if there's junk in your floor. And you can usually polish it right back to like perfect gloss, or you could degloss it, whatever you prefer. So, okay, you can like...
How do you polish it?
How do we polish?
Yeah.
You polish this with the same as you would polish an automotive vehicle, like an automotive clear coat. So, sexy time just happened to this floor. That is lovely, guys. What do y'all think of this? Tell me what you think, and remember, critiques are just fine. Yeah, I don't know, Machang. I mean, I had the Roush, I've had a couple of Raptors, I had a Hennessy Velociraptor 650, that was fun. But I think it's all a waste of money. And you know what, now all I really care about is having something that gets me around to where I need to go from point A to point B. I usually have to tow a lot, so I have a couple of diesel trucks. It's funny, a lot of people think you should never drive a diesel because it burns too much gas, but I actually use my diesels all the time to haul heavy trailers and whatnot, so.
Okay. I survived.
What do y'all think of that? See the design happening here? This will all flow back together, and it'll be way more natural than had you not done this in the first place, except where I just like had epilepsy there. That kind of might be an ugly spot. See what, just a little bit of simplicity here. Would you have fun doing this at home if this was you? Here you are. Beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for all the love and having beautiful hearts. Being beautiful people yourselves. Okay, now I better take that alcohol. Spray it out on there and then back myself off this floor. Pump up the channels, pump it up. How are you feeling? Okay.
Twisty Pinky said, I'd like sparkles in it.
Now this is 99% isopropyl alcohol sprayed down. It's gonna really pop all of our air bubbles, help self-level our floor. I'm a ginger, but I don't do this gingerly. I spray this heavy because I want this to really give us the beautiful, subdued, natural look we were looking for here.
Burgers or tacos?
Tacos? I love tacos. Definitely love eating tacos. Holy smokes. I'm like probably too hungry right now. I even ate breakfast and I'm still starving. Okay, guys, this is... I'm gonna show you guys. You really just can't get the depth of this on a video camera. In person, it's just so much more three-dimensional. Like half an inch thick of just glass with color in it, super three-dimensional. You see the, I don't know if you can see the slight divots in it right now. It's super flat, but it does have a little bit of a sheen. And that's the alcohol evaporating, and it'll leave a really flat floor. You see the lighting in there? So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the love. Okay, you guys see how it's starting to finally come back up to the surface. I was telling you guys how this will spray in, and it almost disappears, and then it settles back, but way smooth. Look at how perfectly flat that is. And that is chrome and gold, absolute mirror finish on that floor. So that is what you want. You want thick enough product. I poured here at about 40 square feet per gallon, and sprayed heavy 99 isopropyl over it. I did, of course, 2 of my pigments I sprayed in, but 3 I actually mixed in. So it is pretty AF. I am walking on it, and I'm using these little spiked shoes right here. Yes, I do wear, what do you call these? My kids make fun of these. Hey dude, you should sponsor me. Yeah, I'm not wearing socks either, sorry. Okay, well, I love you all. Thank you guys so much for being here.